and we are on Decentralized Television. I am Sergey Sevantsyan, your host. Here we are at the Foundry Foundation in the middle of Dubai, in the center of Dubai, in front of the Burj Khalifa. This is the MR, the biggest NFT art place. I don't know, I'm just coming here to find out what the real NFT is. There are so many debates. What's the reality? What the real NFTs mean? It means maybe like this, or it means maybe like this. Guys, and I've asked only one question to the art makers. What the NFT is really for them? Keep with us, stay tuned, you will let to know so soon. I'm really surprised that this Bitcoin is priced for somewhere, and we understand that this is the main, looks like the main thing going to be digitalized or going to be NFTized at the beginning. Nice to meet you, Elias.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yes. Tell us a couple of words, why you're here, why your art works, just show here, and what's your expectation and how you treat NFT as itself.
Of course. So this is a physical Bitcoin, and it symbolizes the transition between physical, silver, tangible value, and the more difficult to understand digital blockchain value. So it actually contains Bitcoin as well. This book here is my first book. It's called The Encyclopedia of Physical Bitcoins, published in 2016. And it tells the story and the history of physical Bitcoins, and through the symbolism of them, the story of the blockchain revolution.
Tell me one thing, why you realize that Bitcoin is much more than silver, because everyone in a crypto says that this is the gold, that this is the gold something.
Well, I wouldn't look too deeply into it. There are actually physical gold coins. I could show you in this book. There are physical coins, gold coins with 1,000 Bitcoin, where you peel the sticker, and those are worth $40 million each. There are several of those in existence.
Wow, that's cool. Let me know one thing, because we are now on NFT exhibition. What's your vision, or how you, all your book, maybe something Bitcoin in it, fractionalized or as one collection, put into the NFTs, and do we able to buy it or see on it somehow? Because this is two worlds. One is is a physical one. We are here with the physical one, but also another world. It's created for the virtual space.
Indeed.
For the NFTs. Yes.
I mean, the NFT, it means non-fungible token. It means a token that cannot be divided necessarily, and it cannot. It's unique. Now, if I have an NFT, I could effectively fractionalize it and say that, these are 100 tokens, each token is a 1% share in this NFT, and that can all be done by smart contract.
That's it. Let me know one thing, this book also digitalized or not, and what we can, for example, see for today's exhibition, something in NFTs. It's available or not?
So this book, this is a physical book. It's being sold as an NFT singular here tonight, but it is also a normal book on Amazon. You can search it there. And most of the information is available for free on my website, which is cryptonumist.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, we meet here Lorenzo.
Nice to meet you, Lorenzo.
Really great to see you, because you are looks like the real designer, the real NFT maker, because I'm not. I'm just on a very common thing.
Well,
we are here in Foundry, so many creators, everyone comes here to understand this is new world, this is new ideology, this is new NFT marketplace. What's NFT for you?
what is NFT for me? Well, let's say that nowadays the NFT is still in a first stage in my point of view, and what we have seen now is just like the 5% of the real potential of this industry, especially because it's becoming more and more as a cinema experience. So as I'm seeing that, the potential of NFTs are now till the next 10 days really endless. The thing is that how we're going to implement that in our reality and how actually art will evolve into that. That's the most important thing. And the message behind, not just profit, but also art.
Let me know one thing, because maybe just 5 or 10 years ago, no one even tried to realize that this kind of new market appears. And we are now in this space as usual, just walking around, looking at the good artwork, trying to make it, trying to shot it, yes, right, to make a photo of it just for our remembers. But the NFT is not just remembers, it's just the ownership.
Exactly.
But how you feel, how that new how that ownership of the new space for us looks like for the humans. Because in real life, I can touch you, I can have you, or I can wear it, and that makes for me ownership. What's the beauty in digital space? So, okay, I have that NFT. What looks like is the picture, or it's something unimaginable.
You exactly got the point. The potential now is that the combination of audio, video, and multisensorial system. That means that how I integrate the old senses, it makes me experience the digital art. Because nowadays we are using Oculus, but new technology is upcoming. So when now the art NFT, as you said, is a certificate. We need to go next. The next is like how I'm into the art piece, how the art piece interact with me. That's the future of NFTs. And this is why it makes sense to honor something that actually it's like me or is changing according to me. This is the future.
And this is the last question. What are you looking for today? What are you special? You are coming here just to see, just as Oswald's in a networking event or in a blockchain event, do the networking, or you're looking for something special here?
Actually, it's a friend of mine organizing the events. Also, Giuseppe is
Jodie. Yes,
also, Giuseppe is a really good friend of ours, and we are opening just on the side here. And I didn't say, but what we are talking about multi-sensory system and multi-sensory NFT, we are going to be created just in a month and a half here. So we have a 360 digital gallery where we can implement all the 5 senses immersion. So when you get into the space, artificial intelligence interact with the person, but at the same time we influence the person through total experience of art. This is next.
Guys, just after 2 months or 3 months,
Art in Space. Art in Space.
Art in Space. Lorenzo will show his own artwork, I think somewhere here around. And
like next
to
Foundry.
See it, and of course, wait for the NFTs. I think
Absolutely.
you can touch him immediately, or you can see him in our channel. We're still at artwork, so many artworks you can see around. I don't know what does they mean, but of course they mean a little bit money, maybe to someone interesting picture. But here we met interesting person. First of all, it's our DTV channel, is Decentralized TV. This audience interested what looks like, how everything in Dubai and going, and for what this community and for what this artwork had done. We know that this is the NFT, not fungible tokens, and that costs something, but what is NFT for you?
Thank you for asking me these questions. So first of all, I came here for fun to check out the gallery, some pictures. I like art too. And since this NFT kind of technology at the blockchain space is kind of invading the art world, and it's a huge answer to give. So what is NFT for me? NFT, it's a digital ownership certificate for me for something which exists digitally in the internet. So art, for example, is it's like an item, so you cannot put it inside your phone, but as a picture you can put it. So I believe in fractionalized art, which is like a fractionalized NFT, and I believe that some big artworks, when they are in trusted places, like let's say the Louvre Museum, not Louvre restaurant, Louvre Museum, if they are displayed, they're in a very safe place, and Van Gogh and Leonardo da Vinci and all those artists, they are so worthful, and I believe that an art piece converted into an NFT but stored in a trusted location where many people can access it to see it, but nobody can take it. It's very good to make it in 1 million pieces, and then basically 1 million people can own it, or there will be 1 million parts, and eventually some people who bought it, this one part for $10 because the picture is 10 million and the total supply is 1 million pieces. Maybe if one person really wants to buy it, he could offer $30 for it if nobody wants to sell it, and then the whole price, the floor price of it goes up. So I believe for safety and the future and for more collective ownership and more reward, I believe this is the cool thing in NFT and in the drawing art and the physical art.
That's cool. Let me ask one more question as a bonus from me, because you are the representative of the bonus company. Let me know one thing. In the real world, these all assets are tangible. It's really, but in
tangible,
virtual world, it's non-tangible. it's non-fungible, it's non-touchable, it's impossible.
Yeah.
What's the how for yourself that new kind of reality? Of course, we can see it, we can understand that it's cost something, and we can create the ownership of that.
Yeah.
Maybe something more it's existed, or you feel that that's all humanity, that's all the imagination.
Of course, much more exists because we're going into the next world, into the new world, into the world of the metaverse.
Yes, looks like this
So-
new world.
So the same way, like you can make a copy of this, but it might not be the original because there were some painters. They put urine in their paint, so basically they made it unique in the natural world. But so they cannot be cloned because you would need the DNA of it somehow to finally verify, which is crazy. But this was in the past. But now with the blockchain and the metaverse and putting digital collectibles, which are really limited by code in a trusted system, it probably will give the real ownership. So I think in the metaverse, the arts and clothes and items,
It will
and
be everywhere.
any infinite item you can imagine of, that will be the true NFT ownerships. Like in this game, in this movie, you know, Ready Player One, when they have this grenade or this other thing, and
Completely agree with you. You know, this new advanced world comes up in front of ours. We're creating by our hands, by our minds, by our thoughts. Guys, keep us with be with us, because we are going to expand this new world, because this new ideology is something around. It's not only pictures. It's all not only things we can touch. It's about new kind of ownership. It's about new kind of money. It's about new kind of fractionalized of holding something interesting and something valuable for us.
absolutely.
And you know, guys, he's the owner of this ape. He is the owner of this camel something. What are you? Oh, here is the shisha smoker. This is the real person who owns the real value. Bro, tell me what's this NFT for you?
So basically, in the world of NFTs, there is a very famous Bored Ape Yacht Club. We decided to make the Bored Camel Caravan Club. So Bored Ape Yacht Club is very famous, but we feel that the camel is more bored than an ape. You know, apes party together in the jungle.
Bro, we're in Dubai. Who's
A
the
camel,
ape? The
a camel is like in the desert, sees no one. You know, it's very hard to find water. So
Yes,
that's why we call it Bored Camel. So we will be coming with. There are 10,000 camels like this, very cool. You know, someone with the shisha, someone wearing a crown, someone wearing the hatta. As you can see, this one is a super rare one. But then, hopefully, we will be creating a game and a desert metaverse.
Let me know one thing. What are you looking here? Here on this, it's not a conference, it's a really artwork. This is the base where so many NFTs will try to sell it here.
I don't. We're trying, like we show the people that there's like a NFT community in Dubai. Of course, you know, like there is a lot of NFT coming up. People here are, you know, many of them are viewers, but we want just to show also that there are creators as well in the field. So yeah, and if you sell us something also, you get a good percentage.
Guys, you can buy it, you can have a royalty in this space, in this NFT space.
Yeah,
Everything is possible.
very good giveaways also. We gifted someone PS5, we gifted someone Bose, brand new Bose, and there is another one coming for the Super Bowl for our fans in the United States. We're giving up like a $7,000 ticket.
We are here with Jodie, with the organizer of this great, amazing and gorgeous event. I see this picture on the promotional stamp, and we will know the price right now. But first of all, couple of words, how you feel, do you satisfied, because so many people around?
Yeah, it's amazing. We've got so much interest. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for hosting here. And yeah, it's a great success, lots of interest. We've got people from the art world, Art Dubai, we've got art critiques, we've also got the crypto community here, crypto OGs. So it's amazing, thank you.
Guys, it's all about NFT, it's all about non-fungible something. This one picture, I'm
Yes.
sure 100% that it's only one and
Yes.
it's going to be digitalized somehow.
Exactly.
Let me know one thing, what's NFT for you, and then we will know how it looks like in a digital space, we'll scan it.
Exactly, yes. So this is the NFT of Donna's Tears. It comes in a collection of 3, but they are sold separately. Donna's based the work on tears. As you can see, there's physical blood, sweat and tears within the work. The other pieces that she has another piece called Donna's Tears as well, where she's physically cried into a handkerchief. And another one which is a video, and her friends are crying on the video. This piece you are going to see now. We can scan it and I can show you.
Wow, that's been interesting. This is the Donna's Tears. It looks like that, right? Wow. Guys, you can scan it by your phone. Now it's happening in front of your eyes.
Take you to the open sea, you can hear. This is Donna's Tears 3. There we go. And you can see they're 1.6 Ether you can buy. When you buy this, you receive the physical. So you receive the physical print.
You can come here in a Foundry and take it finally, really?
Yes, so this is the physical print, and also you will receive, you can see, you will receive entrance to our yacht. So any purchase this evening, you will receive exclusive yacht party with the community, with the collectors and with the artist. Donna will be on board as well.
That is cool. Really, thank you for
Thank you
much.
so
Thank you
much.
for your watching. Give your attention, take part of this. This is interesting world. Now, this NFT is not only non-fungible or not touchable. This is very real. Thank you so much.
Very
See you
real.
later.
Thank
That's
you.
it.